In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom library for flowcharts in Draw.io when using Confluence or Jira, particularly focusing on the cloud version. To get started, make sure you have Draw.io installed and enabled in your Confluence or Jira setup. Additionally, you'll need sufficient permissions, usually at the admin level, or, at the very least, enough to modify Draw.io settings or the configuration space if you're working with shared libraries. Don't forget to have all the shapes, images, and icons you plan to reuse ready. These could be in formats like SVG, PNG, or JPG. So what exactly is a custom library? Think of it as a personalized set of shapes or grouped shapes that you and your team can easily reuse in diagrams. It's like having your very own flowchart stencil set, complete with shapes for decisions, start and end points, connectors, and any logos or custom icons you'd like to include. Now, let's dive into the steps to create this custom library using the Confluence Cloud version as an example. First, go ahead and open or create a Draw.io diagram. In Confluence, you'll need to edit a page and then either insert a new Draw.io diagram or open an existing one that you'd like to work with. From there, in the Draw.io editor menu, navigate to File, and then select New Library. You'll be given the option to store your library either on the Confluence Cloud or on your device. Choose the location that makes the most sense for your project. Once that's done, be sure to give your custom flowchart shapes library a meaningful name, something that you and your team can quickly identify. Next up, you'll need to add the shapes or icons to your new library. You can do this by simply dragging image files or icons from your computer directly into the library. Alternatively, if you have shapes already on your diagram canvas that you want to include, just select them and use the plus icon next to the library name to add those shapes or groups into your custom library. Once you've gathered all the necessary items, it's time to save your library. When saved, your custom library will appear in the left side panel, typically under sections like Scratchpad or Custom Libraries. If you'd like to make this library accessible to your entire team without them having to import it individually, here's what you need to do. As a Confluence administrator, head over to Confluence Settings, then to Draw.io, Configuration, and finally click the Custom Libraries tab. Add the library file there, either by uploading or referencing it. This will allow all users with the appropriate permissions to open that library via File, then Open Library from Confluence Cloud or through the plus More Shapes button. For a final touch, you might want to set this custom library to open by default. By editing the JSON configuration in Draw.io settings as an admin, you can list your custom library under Default Custom Libraries. This ensures that every time Draw.io is opened, your library is readily available, streamlining the workflow for your team.